In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PPT to video in Canva. First, open up Canva and also open your design or presentation. Canva will then automatically convert each slide into editable pages. Once your slides are loaded, you can add animations, transitions, music, or even voiceovers to make your presentation more engaging. At the top toolbar, just click on the animate button to add motion or use the audio tab to add background music. And when you're done, click on the share button at the top right, then click on download. For the file type, make sure that you choose MP4 video. Also choose your quality settings and press the download button. Canva will then export your slides as a full video ready to upload to YouTube or social media. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!